How to fix a STREMIO movie not playing or loading. Hi guys, welcome back again to our channel. Let's begin. Trying to watch a movie on STREMIO but it's not loading? Don't worry, I've got a 5 quick fixes for you. Fix 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Switch Wi Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Fix 2. Restart Streamio and clear cache. Close Streamio completely on PC. Press Ctrl Shift Escape. Find Streamio and end task. On mobile, go to Settings, Apps, Streamio, Clear Cache. Reopen Streamio and try again. Fix 3. Update Streamio and add-ons. Go to Streamio settings, check for updates. If you're using add-ons, update them or try different ones. Fix 4. Try a VPN. Some content may be a region lock. Try using a VPN and set your location to a different country. Fix 5. Reinstall Streamio. If nothing works, uninstall Streamio and reinstall it. Log back in and test if the issue is fixed. That's it. One of these should get Streamio working again. Let me know in the comments if it helped. Like and subscribe for more tech fix. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe the channel.